Dear all, in this video we are going to learn how to build scripts. First we need data, which will be used to form a signal opening or closing a position. I have chosen a data source in advance. You can see the chosen instrument here. I also need levels I'm going to use in trading. They are high and low levels. For example, we type low, here's low, and lowest 4. When we build scripts, first of all we should understand links between blocks. The high and low blocks show the highest and the lowest levels of the candles. Let's add high and highest 4. Lowest in and the highest in indicators are not always the lowest and the highest values of the candles. It depends on what they are connected to. In our script, we connect them to the highest and lowest values of the candles. Let's apply one more block, its volume. Trading mathematics, volume. We get volume from our data source as well. Let's make a copy of high and create a volume-based high. To make it more convenient, we can add one more pane and connect it to the volume block. It can look like a histogram. And high, which is based on volume. Let's run our script. This is how high-low strategy looks in our chart. High is based on volume. Let's choose another period value, which differs from the default one, for all data I use. We need position opening blocks to open a position. There are various types of position opening blocks. They are opening by limit, by market, conditional orders if more or less. I'm going to use opening if more and opening if less. This block has 4 entries and 1 exit. Every entry has its purpose and its own name. The first entry is the source. We should connect to the source we are trading. There can be several sources and we need to be careful choosing the right source. Then the condition and price entries. The last one is quantity. Quantity and condition are not necessary to be used all the time. If we do not set up any condition, we are going to have a permanent signal to open a position. And positions do open if we do meet price. If we do not use the quantity entry, then the quantity used in the block will be applied. Positions can't open without price. If I try to run my script now, there will be an error. We see a mistake in the log file. Let's try to solve this issue. To fix this error, I need to connect to the price I used to open the position. As one trade is going to be a long and the other one is a short, I need to mark which block is responsible for a short and which for a long. I want to open a short if I touch the highest value. We also need to close our positions. Opening itself is not enough for our trading logic. Opening itself doesn't build any trading logic. We need to add position closing blocks. I'm going to use close by take profit. It has 3 entries. The first one is the position entry. There's only one way to connect position closing to position opening, and the position will be closed according to some idea. One position opening can have several position closings. It can be take profits, stop loss, or bear market. The second entry is condition. We can omit it. The third one is the price. This entry should always be used. If I open a position by minimum, I want to close it by maximum, and vice versa. We can see positions in our chart. And in the results table. And the profit chart. This is how it looks like. We have built a simple script. Thank you for your attention.